So last question here. This person is investing £10,000 in a friend's company and he will give 10% profit, but nothing if there is no profit. If they want to take the money out, they can take the money out. And if he makes a loss, it does not affect the equity. So he will not incur the loss. Is it allowed or is it riba?
No, that's not allowed. To have an investment where it is just guaranteed profit, and if there's a loss, the capital does not affect, in general, it's not allowed. But I need to understand in detail this sort of company that they are making. So there's something called mudaraba. Mudaraba, a person gives money, and the other person gives his effort. So I'm giving you money, Dr. Saeed, you invest in the labs that you are aware of. So he took the money, and he had made the lab, and he invested, and he lost the money. I lost my money. So what about he lost? He lost his effort. That's called mudaraba. I can't just say to him, well, I've given you 100,000, you invest in it. If you make profit between us, 50-50 or 10%, 20%, whatever percentage, it doesn't matter the percentage, Ikhwani, that he gives me. I give him the money and he says to me 10% of the profit and the 90% for him. If I accept, no problem. Maybe because he's a good businessman and my money will be, alhamdulillah, making a lot of money, even 10%. It's up to him. But if he lost, I can't just say my capital is safe. No. Whatever loss, it will go into the 100,000 as well. Guaranteed ribh, that's gambling. That's riba. No guaranteed riba. Riba means profit, guaranteed profit. By this, alhamdulillah,